Hi, in this video I will show you how to transfer your FC mobile account to another phone. So in order to do that, we have in here this article that can help us link our accounts to save progress in EA Sports FC Mobile. So in order to go to that, I have in here the link for that article. Just go over to this link that you can see on your screen and you should be able to see this. Now from in there, click onto this read article. Now in here, it should be able to help us to actually save our game progress in FC Mobile. Now in here, you can just link your EAS FC Mobile to an account. First things first, on your Android, open the game settings menu and under the account management, tap on link accounts option right here. Then you can either link it on your EA account, Facebook, as well as your Gameplay or Google Play. If you have iOS, just go over to the same game settings menu and under the account management, tap on link accounts again. From in there, you can just choose in here the credentials. You have EA account, Facebook, Game Center, as well as Apple. So in there, if you want, you can transfer it and link it. If you ever go over to another device, you can just sign up. So for example, if you actually linked it using your Facebook, you can sign in on your other phone using your Facebook and then link it from there as well. So that's how you transfer your FC mobile account to another phone. Hope we help.